Hello, I'm Dr. Walter Matwychuk, and I'm here to announce that on Saturday, July the 16th, I'm doing an internet lecture. It's a 2-hour lecture on 4 popular cognitive behavior therapies. I will be comparing the 2 foundational cognitive behavior therapies, REBT and Beck's cognitive therapy, to 2 other third-wave cognitive behavior therapies that are acceptance-based, namely Linehan's dialectical behavior therapy and Hayes's acceptance and commitment therapy. Following the 2-hour lecture, I will entertain 30 minutes of questions. It promises to be a content-laden presentation aimed at mental health professionals, although interested consumers of psychological services may also attend and profit from gaining this intellectual understanding of the similarities and differences between these 4 popular therapies. You can use the link found within this email to register for the event. I should mention that this event is independent of my regular Saturday morning REBT conversation hour, which will again take place this Saturday from 9 to 10. During the REBT conversation hour, I hold a conversation with someone around the world and show them how to use the ideas of REBT to help them cope with their particular problem. The lecture I'm speaking of will then take place later in the morning and will be in a separate virtual space. So if you're interested in attending this lecture, please use the link found within this email message and you can register. One way or the other, I hope to see you on Saturday at one virtual event or the other.